So you've got a cool world, solid characters, but your script still feels flat. What could be missing? Atmosphere? The unsung hero that makes your story stick with people. Welcome back, storytellers. Today we're closing out the C method with atmosphere, the tone and mood your world creates, and how it reflects and affects your characters. If systems are the bones, effect is the blood, atmosphere is the soul. But before we dive in, make sure you download the worksheet in the description to help you find the soul of your story. So, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the emotional vibe of your story world. It's not just what happens, it's how it feels. What's the weight of living in the world you created? What does the audience breathe in from every frame? Here's how to identify and express your story's atmosphere. First, you want to think about what kind of mood your systems create. If your world is governed by harsh laws, scarcity, or deep traditions, that will naturally create tension, fear, or reverence. Use what you've built in your systems to inform how your world feels. What themes are you exploring? Are you writing about grief, hope, betrayal, survival? Let the tone of your story reflect those themes through lighting, sound design, pacing, even character behavior. So, how does the world reflect the characters? Is your main character isolated? Maybe the world feels vast and empty. Are they paranoid? Then the world should feel catastrophic, even when it's wide open. Let the world mirror the emotional journey your character is going through. So, how do you express the atmosphere visually and tonally? Think about color palettes, architecture, language, weather, music. What details make the vibe consistent? You're building a feeling that follows the viewer's scene to scene. So here's a real example. Blade Runner 2049 is drenched in mood, rain, fog, neon, silence. The atmosphere supports the themes of identity and isolation. In Euphoria, the visual tone and music reflect the chaotic inner world of the characters. And Moonlight, every frame feels like a memory because the atmosphere is soft, lyrical, and intentional. So, how do we start using atmosphere? Ask yourself, what do I want my audience to feel? Then go back to your systems and think, what's the emotional consequences of living in this world, living this life? Use that as your compass. Don't just describe the room, feel the room. If you want your story to linger long after the credits roll, it needs more than plot. It needs atmosphere. It needs soul. Now, if you want help nailing the mood of your story or making your world feel like more than just a backdrop, book a session for a quick hit of clarity or to get hands on and shape your story's entire vibe. Let's build something unforgettable. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video, and share with another storyteller. I'll see you in the next one.